Let's fill out the New Hampshire motorcycle bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the motorcycle and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the motorcycle, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the motorcycle. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. When selling a motorcycle in New Hampshire, here is what you need to know about the bill of sale. First, both the seller and the buyer need to sign the bill of sale. Make sure you have signatures from both parties because that is a key requirement. Now, keep in mind that in New Hampshire, the bill of sale alone does not establish a change in ownership. So the title is really important here. You will need a valid title, whether that is a New Hampshire title or an out-of-state title, to complete the transfer. The seller is responsible for providing the original title to the buyer. Do not forget that step because without it, the ownership transfer is not complete. You will also want to include the buyer's name and the buyer's address on the paperwork, as well as the odometer reading at the time of the sale. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.